Hello, so welcome back to this video. So in this video, we are going to discuss very important topic that everybody discussing. Like as we can see nowadays, the stock market is falling down heavily. Okay, today also we have seen uh, sharp fall down, and from last week, from last few weeks. Okay, we have seen that the market is going down day by day. Okay, and now we have reached, like today, if we see the Nifty, it is below 17,000, okay, 16,985 today. And many people are assuming, and like I have seen many comments and videos, and also received many WhatsApp messages in which they are saying like this is leading to one more stock market crash like 2008. Okay, so they are comparing the current movement to the 2008, and they are predicting like this can lead us to next big market crash, which is similar to 2008. Okay, so in this video, I will try to do some astro analysis whether this is similar to the 2008 market fall, or from here, from after a few days we can again recover. Okay, so all these things we will discuss. So for these things I'm going to use two different charts. Okay, on left side you can see this is a Nifty chart which I'm using. Okay, and I'm using this Nifty establishment chart, and my date is a little bit different from what people are using in their analysis. Okay, so this left side is a Nifty chart, and right side you can see that is a transit chart. Okay, so basically I am using this transit chart to see the current planetary movement. Okay, and by when we can expect next big movement. Okay, maybe it can lead us to market crash similar to 2008, or else what, or we can see some recovery. Okay, so as I discussed these similar points in my classes, also in Holy webinar, also I have discussed one yearly chart that we see from the Jupiter. There is an RD explanation that I given, like this current year is not good for financial matters, especially stock market. Okay, and if anybody is planning to establish or to start new business, or if they are planning for investment and all these things, so this current year is not beneficial for those things. So we need to postpone it for the next year. Okay, and current year we'll see many different scams and scandals and a lot of monetary losses, especially for the country, for the banks, and each and everything we have discussed in that video. So today I'm giving one simple logic for my analysis. Okay, I will not go into the market technical analysis in this video. There are a lot of technical videos on the internet. So this is purely a astrological based analysis that I'm giving you, and I'm keeping it very short and simple. Okay. So let's see the major part, major point to discuss in this way in this video. That is the movement of Saturn. Okay, Saturn right now transiting in Aquarius sign 6 degree. Okay, 6 degree 50 minutes. Uh, 6 degree let's say, okay, 6 degree Aquarius. Sun transited into Pisces. Okay, Mars is also transited into Gemini recently. Okay, so these two, some people are blaming Mars, some people are blaming Sun for this behavior. Okay, but the truth is, the Saturn that is transiting in 6 degree Aquarius, that is the major factor here. Okay, Saturn. Why? So now people can say, okay, Aquarius, and what is the problem with this Aquarius? Is Saturn's own sign, okay, own Mudrik own sign. Then why I'm saying this part? Okay, so see, I have my own rules. Okay, I have some predefined rules that I'm using here, and the transit principles which I use is slightly different from what other people are using. Okay, that maybe I can explain in some other videos. But I would like to tell you this range of 6 degree for the Saturn. Okay, 6 degree. Any planet that is transiting in 6 degree, okay, that is very harmful, especially for the Indian market, especially within the Indian market, especially for the Nifty. Okay, so whenever any planet, not only Saturn, any planet is transiting on 6 degree, you will see negative influence on the market. Okay, like this, there are specific degrees for which we can predict like this. From generally from 6 degree to 16 degree is very harmful range for the market. Okay, but within that range also 6 degree is very harmful, especially when we are talking for the slow moving planet. So now Saturn within this degree, if 5 degree is ruled by Mercury, 6 degree is ruled by Venus. Okay. Now how I'm saying like 6 and 7 degree ruled by Mercury, Venus, that is a different thing that I will discuss in some other videos. But try to understand in this Nifty chart, which is the Scorpio Lagna, and 12th house is ruled by Venus Libra sign. Okay, where debilitated Sun, Mercury, Rahu, 3 planets are sitting. So, if any planet is transiting on the focal point of Venus or Mercury, that can create trouble for this Nifty. Okay, same thing is happening right now. Okay, Saturn from last many months, not many months, from last 2-3 months, Saturn is transiting back to back on these focal degrees or the crucial degrees of Mercury and Venus. That's why we are seeing these bearish momentum in the market. Okay. So now coming back to the original question, whether this trend that we are seeing market fall in this bearish trend, whether this will lead us to major market crash or this similar to 2008, no. Okay, it's not like this. This is a temporary fall, and we can see soon market will gain again momentum. Okay, again we will see the bull market soon. Okay, as soon as Saturn leaves this 6 to 7 degree, you can take roughly 8 degrees. Okay, you will see the again Nifty is taking its own momentum. Okay, on the upper side, and you will see we'll reach to the same. We can reach to again 18,000 parameter for the Nifty. Okay, but what about now? Okay, now right now Saturn till it's completely crossed 8 degrees, we need to be very careful. Market can fall a little bit more. It can reach to 16,500 till this range we can expect market. Okay, so you need to be careful, but no need to keep any fear in your heart and mind. Okay, it is not leading us to 2008 scenario. Okay, and maybe see, we have seen 2 bankruptcy in America, and right now we are again hearing some news related to Credit Suisse. Okay, so that is again temporary for this market. Okay, so we can see we can recover soon from this all bad moments, bad times. Okay, so don't worry about anything. So just you need to keep some patience. Okay, have some positive attitude towards the market. Consult your financial advisor if you know, if you are a trader and all these things. So just be careful. Okay, no need to keep any fear, anything. Okay, just wait for a moment. Let Saturn change its degrees, at least 1 or 2 degrees. Okay, then you can comfortably again go for the trade or any strategies you are using. Okay, so use hedging methods and be careful. Okay, at least for some weeks. Okay, but this will recover again very soon, so there is no need to panic. Okay, again I'm saying 2008 kind of crash is not going to happen this year. Okay, whatever is happening right now, that is the temporary. Okay, and Nifty will again gain its momentum, and we will see again the bull run. Okay, this is my prediction for the market, and I hope this is helpful for many. Okay, now the other technicalities of this chart, why I'm using this different, maybe some people are showing Nifty chart as a different ascendant, and I'm using a little bit different, why this is different and all these things, maybe I can discuss on some other days. So I have my own logic and all, and the way of transit that I'm using, that is something else. Okay, so I will answer these questions maybe in some other videos. Okay, so till that time, wait for my next videos, and for now, just understand you need to keep a patience, no need to worry. Okay, just wait for Saturn transit at least for 1 or 2 days. That's it. Then we can see market again. It will regain its original and old movement or towards a bullish run. Okay, thank you.